What up, Minitruck?
Flashback.
Going to Matt's house. Feel a big tire. 55. And I'm cruising at 52.
No way! Awesome, dude.
You know you gotta take me for a ride in this thing now. Let me do
Oh yeah.
in this motherfucker.
Do wheelie, that sumbitch.
I was like, what is that noise?
How far did you hear me?
Just like right there.
Oh.
Only by the fence. It came out good.
Yeah, not bad, huh?
Not bad at all. GPS figured out too?
Well, I want to see how fast. I was cruising 55 all the way over.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Go ahead.
Alright.
I'm gonna sit in the bed.
Turn the clutch out.
Whew, got cold. Look at him. Smoky in here.
You're crazy.
Why?
There he is.
Can't
What's
believe I
up?
only rode that thing here.
You hear him?
Take trade. That's it. Trading the Jeep. Getting one.
Oh yeah.
Fast you get it.
Over here it said 50. I didn't even look at your phone, to be honest with you.
Oh, this thing's
Yeah.
sick. Those fucking tires are loud.
How about you?
Yeah, they're loud, huh?
Oh my god, man. That thing is humming.
I know. You gonna wheelie this sumbitch?
I'm gonna wheelie it. I'll fucking wheelie it.
Yeah, right.
No problem. You guys are ready, you tell me.
Woo!
Thank fucking God. Oh, she's smoking. Oh, no, it's. I just put oil
Right,
all
do
over
real
the
quick.
exhaust. It runs.
Yeah.
$300. It runs.
Looks good.
It's almost there.
Race that thing with my Mini. I need a clutch before I race. Wow, it's cold. Yeah, Minitruck. She run good. She run good.
6.5 hours later.
Got me a 30-inch light bar for the top. Fits up there and still allows me to put stuff up like this, which it should. And then I got me center console, so I can get that in there. Maybe a CB, maybe a cup holder. Or actually maybe I'll pick up another one of them Harbor Freight ones. This might work out better than I thought. I do have one of these. Right? Breaker 19, breaker 19. This here is a rubber ducky. You'll put the hammer down.
Looks like we got us a convoy.
I think I like it better up there than up toward the front. Being up that high, it'll shine all the way to here. That might actually be right there, huh? Guess I put my rack up there. And of course this. Another option. You can even see this is angled. So it goes from that bar to that bar. And it's glued. Was. Inch and a half. Since this is adjustable on that bar, I'll just go 2 inches and then I can slide it back and forth to get a purpose. Send it. think that's gonna work. Maybe I should turn this a little bit, huh? That looks like it's about right. Okay. It's one side. Why don't I just stand inside the bed? Oh, well, looks like it's gonna be perfect. Damn, I'm good. If I can tighten this up now. Half an inch, half an inch. About the right angle. Tighten her up. It's my special purpose wrench.
Wait a minute! What's happening to my special purpose?
Pretty solid. Pretty solid. Pop this sumbitch out. Mark that to cut. Don't even need to. It went right over it. Oh, that ain't going nowhere. Huh, fit right over it. Thought I was gonna have to notch it. Probably should put a little glue under there, huh? Yeah, that's perfect. Perfecto. Now let's get to wiring this thing. Not gonna really need the waterproof, so I guess I'll cut it off here. A little too fat. Yep. Let's try it like this. Maybe I can get that grommet back on there. Yep. Got him. Now I gotta see which one is the ground. E-brake. So the red with the white tracer is hot, and orange with the green tracer is the ground. I use this fish tape after a difficult wire snake because there's no hole here. You got to find the hole, which is about right here. You can see where this wire kind of goes in. Push it all the way down and then you got to get your finger up in there and pull that little piece of fish tape out. There's like a little pocket. That was pretty tight. Figure out where I should put that switch. Maybe over there. Clean this crap up. Oh, yeah. Gonna fit good. It's gonna fit in there good. Sneak that up around through here and down. I wonder if I could sneak this down in between. Oh, yeah. For my front LEDs, this wire here. For my front LEDs, tap off of my main power and run it up because I want this live all the time. Of course, I think this has a 10 amp fuse that comes with it. 10, yeah, there should be plenty. So I ran my little bitty ground for the light just to activate, you know, just so it runs that little LED down. And I can put my switch in. Now I just got to hook my power on. I drilled a hole on this side, so I push the wire up. Bam!
Peanut butter and jam!
Now I usually do run the ground up through here, but this is grounded pretty good. So I'm just gonna ground it to this. I tested it, it's working. So I'm going to do. Yeah, I don't know, man. If I'm running over shit, this is gonna get pushed. I gotta move those. I guess I'll have to put them here, and then I'll have to find something to space them out. See how it works. Move! Wow. Pretty bright. Oh, can't see. Probably wondering why I put the lights underneath, right? I want to put a rack on the top, whether I make one or find a small quad rack. But I got a box I made for my Polaris that sits on the front. Just a little rack, carry stuff, because when that back is full, there's no place to put anything usually. See if we can get that little center console box put in. Oh, there's nothing on that hump. Yeah, there's nothing there. There's actually a... I wonder if I can use that. There's two of those. Oh, that'd be great. Maybe they come with a console. I'm gonna poke them up through. I could probably use a bolt and hold it right there. There's one here and one there. So that center hump has two spots. I'll just use those. Save me a lot of time and aggravation. So that's where them two little threaded rivets ended up. So I think if I use a washer and maybe these. It's not super strong, but it'll work. Maybe. Until I find something else. I did look at some electrical boxes, 8x8, but well, like 40 bucks. It's a bit steep. And then... That's not too bad. I centered it on the hump and then I looked here, so this seat and everything must be a hair bigger than that side. Everything's a little wider. But that's pretty solid. Doesn't interfere until I find something better. I can get my inverter in there, I can get a CV in there, I can hang a cup holder. Yeah, Minitruck! Oh yeah, this came in too. My inclometer. And then I could do something like this. I want to get one of them cheap Harbor Freight ones because they worked so good for me in the past. Mount it permanent. And I could charge up my stuff.